Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Flodesk, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Flodesk API key? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your Flodesk API key anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that in order to integrate certain softwares, you do require an API key. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find your Flodesk API key, you're going to click on this little circle icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on integrations. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these two options at the top, integrations and API keys. Click on this one. All right, once you do that, you're going to click on create API. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and name the API. So let's go ahead and name this customer service. All right. Next, they require you to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on create API key. All right. Quick second later, you're going to see your full API key right here. So you can go ahead and copy that to your clipboard by clicking on copy and then click on done. Okay. Now my API key is copied to my clipboard, so I can go ahead and paste that into whatever software is requiring that. Now, if you need it again in the future, you can go ahead and come back in here and remove it. And then you can just recreate a new API key. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to get your API key to your Flodesk account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.